Listen, before you give up on your long distance relationship and marriage, or you are looking at building a stronger bond with your partner, watch this video to the end. There are 10 daily habits that can help you build a stronger relationship with your partner. And number 7 is the most important one. Number 1, morning and night check-in. Saying good morning and good night to your partner daily makes you feel like you are starting and ending the day together. It can even help you resolve issues like silent treatment because you know you must talk to them in the morning and in the night. And it also creates stability and love even in a chaotic world. So before you go to bed, make sure you compliment your partner for everything they've done for you that day. And when you wake up in the morning, make sure you praise your partner. This helps you build a stronger relationship. Number 2, share tiny updates with your partner. Say, before you do something, make sure you inform your partner. It kills curiosity. Because when there is curiosity, there is assumption. And when there is assumption, there is overthinking. And when your partner overthinks, there will be unnecessary conflict. And that is why it is so important that all these little updates, don't let your partner discover what you are doing after you've done them. Because it makes them feel like they are not part of your life. And this can help you build trust in a long distance relationship and in your marriage. Because once your partner knows what you're about to do, before you actually do them, they are no longer curious about the situation. And they will feel like they are part of your life. Before you do something, make sure you tell your partner about it. Because this kills every curiosity. So share your tiny updates. It helps you build trust in your relationship. Especially if you're in a long distance relationship, if you're in the US, if you're in the UK, or you are anywhere across the world and your partner does not live in the same country with you, make sure you share all these updates. That is not monitoring, that is information. And when your partner have more information about you, they feel like they are part of your life already. So number 3, do videos together. See, it is not about longer videos. It's about the quality time you spend on that video call. If you are going to unfamiliar place that your partner is not really aware about, make video calls, all right? So that you can even build trust in your relationship. And again, you can have fun activities on the video call. You can cook together, you can fold clothes together, you can do other things together. In fact, you can watch Netflix together. So if you're in the US or you're in the UK, or your partner is not in the same country with you, you can do fun activities together. It is not every time you have to talk, because talk can be really boring. So share time together, make video calls together. And I'm not talking about sharing your nude or sharing your naked picture or your videos to your partner, because if the relationship goes bad, it can turn to a blackmail. So you have to be very careful. But make genuine video together. It makes them feel like they are part of your life already. When your partner travels, even in your marriage, if your partner travels, send them videos, all right? And if you go to a place that they are not really familiar with, make a video call. It helps you build trust and kill any curiosity they have for you. And then if you are struggling in your relationship, you are trying to resolve some issue with your partner and it's not coming through, you can send me a DM and book a private session. It is a paid session, but it's something that can transform your relationship, all right? And then again, if you're looking at finding the right partner and building a lasting relationship, I also wrote a special book for you titled The Love Formula. The link is on my bio. Just click on the link there and purchase the book. It is something that will help you significantly. So number 4, drop daily love notes. You see, as simple as, oh, I miss you, all right? I miss the way you make me laugh. This thing can change a lot of things in your relationship or marriage. Most people stop making effort the moment they got married. Most of you stop making effort the moment you spend too much time with your partner. And this is what kills relationship faster. Tell your partner how they made you feel. In fact, if you are short of word, go to ChatGPT. Type it on ChatGPT and let it help you refine it and send it to your partner. But make sure you remove all those dashes so that your partner will not discover that you actually use a computer to actually send them a text. Make it personal. Personalize it. When you send this kind of thing daily to your partner, they feel loved, they feel appreciated. And this will actually help them improve in whatever they want to do for you. Okay? Number 5, be grateful. Share your grateful moments with your partner. Tell them how they make you feel. It gives them joy and it makes them do more. So number 5, have a weekly routine. All right? Know when to call, especially if you're in a long distance relationship. Especially if you're even dating someone that your time zone is very different. You have to make routine that works for both of you. You should have time for dates. You should have time for virtual dates. You should have time to spend together. And most of you go out with your partner and all you do is to press your phone. That is very disrespectful. If you are out on a date with your partner or you are with your partner, even at home, make sure you are not always on your phone, because your phone kills your relationship. Have a planned date. Watch movies together. Spend quality time together. And if you don't make it a priority, it will never be visible in your relationship. And this quality time can improve how your partner see you and how you bond together. Make sure you have a weekly routine that helps the relationship grow better. If your partner have a different time zone, Make sure you know when to call and when not to call, because sometimes your partner might be at work and you will be asleep. And when they come back, you won't be able to communicate with them. So two of you must agree on when to call, when to text, and how you can actually grow your relationship together. And that is why weekly routine is so important. Number 6, once a week, write a long, honest message to your partner. All right? Tell them how they made you feel. Tell them what you expect them to do. And tell them what you are going to do for them to make them happy. These will help you solidify your relationship properly. All right? This will build a stronger bond between two of you, because if you are not intentional about your partner, everything fades off. So write something reflective to your partner. Write something romantic to your partner. It is not every time you have to solve issues. It is not every time you talk about work or business or career. Sometimes talk about the emotional part of your relationship, because this is how you build a stronger bond, not just arguments and fights. So number 7, which is the most important one, surprise gift. See, the fact that you are living in different countries is not an excuse for you not to gift your partner. Surprise them with gift. Collect their address number and send them a surprise gift. And it doesn't have to be expensive. And if you're in a close distance relationship, make sure you surprise your husband with gifts. Make sure you surprise your woman with gifts, because this builds bond in a relationship. As a girl, you are going to your boyfriend's house, make sure you buy something he needs in the house. Don't always go empty-handed. As a wife, make sure you constantly surprise your husband, because this will help you keep the spark alive in your relationship. It doesn't have to be on occasion. Most of it, the only time you give your partner gifts is on Valentine, is on their birthday, which doesn't make any sense. You should be constantly thinking of a way to surprise your partner, to keep the spark alive. And that is why your love is fading away, because you stop doing the little things that matter. Most of you have to wait for big gifts before you give it to your partner. Don't be like that. You can give them something small and something they actually need. So number 8, do weekly check-in. All right? Ask your partner, what have I done to you last week that hurt you so bad? When you ask things like this, when you ask questions like this, it makes your partner realize that they need to communicate properly. And when they communicate, you can easily resolve all those little conflicts that they are not talking about, because any conflict you don't talk about now will become bigger issue in the future. All right? The moment you start fixing your problem weekly, you won't have any big problem to deal with. So it is so important to do weekly check-in. Ask your man, ask your woman, what have I done to you? Did I say anything that you don't like? And this will help you resolve all those little resentments they have in mind for you. And this will help you build a stronger relationship. So number 9, pray and plan together. There is no point in being with a partner that you can't connect spiritually, because you need to pray. And because when you pray together, it gives you a sense of we are growing together. It gives you a sense of bonding. And this is how you will grow spiritually. Either you're a Christian or you're a Muslim or you don't even believe, make sure you are meditating together. You are reading books together. Because this will build a stronger bond. Because there will be hope in the relationship. And when there is hope, there is commitment. Because there is something to look out for. So when you pray together, when you read books together, when you do things together, you build a stronger bond. And then you don't need to spend so much money to actually achieve that. And that's why I said you don't need to spend money to actually do all these daily habits. And number 10, plan your future weekly. Have a weekly plan on what you're going to do. What are you doing currently with your partner? Because these will help you grow together. And then when you are growing together, nobody will be abandoned in the past. Communicate your goals to your partner. Two of you should see how you can help each other grow. And that is the essence of building bond in a relationship. If you're in a long distance relationship, two of you should be planning how you can relocate. If you are dating somebody and you'll be dating them for years, two of you will be planning how your marriage will work. All right? And if in your marriage, make sure you plan how you're going to take care of the children, how you improve the quality of life. And this will help you build a stronger bond, because two of you are working together as a team. And then if you are struggling in your relationship, you are trying to resolve some issue with your partner and it's not coming through, you can send me a DM and book a private session. It is a paid session, but it's something that can transform your relationship. All right? And then again, if you're looking at finding the right partner and building a lasting relationship, I also wrote a special book for you titled The Love Formula. The link is on my bio. Just click on the link there and purchase the book. It is something that will help you significantly. And let me know in the comment section, what is that habit that you're currently doing for your partner? And which one are you going to start doing from today?